Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make ginger beer. If you're interested, keep on watching, get inspired, and give it a try. Now let's get started. This is how much ginger I will be using. You can add more or you can use less. So right here, I have a cup and a half of pineapple chunks. I removed the skin from the ginger. I chopped it up and added it to the pineapple. I am using a cup and a half of water. You can use less water or add more. After blending it, this is what it looks like. And right now, I'm trying to squeeze as much liquid that I can from the ginger and the pineapple. This part is optional. You really don't have to do this. I'm just being a little extra. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to make a sugar ring around the glass. I'm using a tablespoon of sugar and just a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm gonna rub some lemon around the glass and I'm gonna dip the glass in this sugar and cayenne mixture. And yeah, I just wanted to, I don't know, do something cute, but you really don't have to do this. This video was easy, right? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.